Don't like the direction you are going to. Seems to lack the attention that it used to. Stay out all night and get high with your friends. Wonder why you don't get a one thing done in the night. Don't like the direction you are going to. You have come to. Now it has the attention that it used to. Stay home all night with the TV and wide. Comfortable life ain't all that's cracked up